Okay, now for the second page, we have to calculate the apothem. And to do this, we have to go back to our first side. And we need to figure out what the apothem actually is. So with an even number of sides, you can easily just draw from one corner to another and find the center. But this case, we have to do it with angle measures. So I'm lining this up, and half of 108 is 54 degrees. So right there. And I'm doing that on each side. Okay, so in here, we want to do it from the inside. 54 right there. And what this does is it helps us find the center. So right 54 degrees over here. And what we want is one of these measures on each side of our pyramid, or of our shape. And this should be the last one. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is take my ruler and I'm drawing from each corner to those measured lines in hopes to find the center. So I'm gonna go ahead and just stop my lines somewhere around the center, but I'm lining it up with the angle measure. Okay, so just like that, we probably already found our center. And so if you notice, I'm lining this one up with that line, and you can see it's gonna go right to that corner. And then okay, and as you can see, it's a little bit off, but it will be just fine. When you do this, it will be more accurate. I am in a weird angle here. Okay, so what the apothem is right here. Okay, so as I said, I cut this angle in half, so we know that this right here is 54 degrees. And we also know that from here to here, it's half of that measure, so mine's 8, and your apothem here is unknown. So I'm going to take that triangle and I'm going to draw it on the next page. Okay. It's really ugly, but that's okay. 54, 8, and A. So now we have a right triangle, and we can use some trigonometry to figure out how to find A. So here's my angle. Opposite of that is A. And next to it is our adjacent of 8. So that tells us we need to use tangent. All you have to do is fill it in. So this stands for an angle. Well, our angle is 54 degrees. And my opposite is A. And my adjacent is 8. Okay, so I have 8 times tangent of 54 equals A. And then you just plug that in the calculator. Okay? The next video will have this answer for the next step.